Hi, I am Devashish Misra and I have made a project in linear regression using Python, which I am going to explain it. Okay, let's start. First of all, what is linear regression? Linear regression is a linear model that assumes a linear relationship between the input variable x and the single output variable y. Linear regression is the part of machine learning algorithm that is originated by statistics. Linear regression is a supervised machine learning algorithm. Supervised machine learning algorithm means there is some training data as well as testing data, which we will train the model and predict them, and we will definitely get target output. There is two types of linear regression: simple regression and multivariable regression. Okay, now I am going to show programming part. This programming part indicates import NumPy library, import pandas library, and skeleton library. NumPy library is a math library function for Python, and pandas library also handle largest data set, and skeleton library is a library function that dataset. I have using Boston dataset in this Python programming. First of all, I have load the Boston dataset and print the Boston dataset and read this description. There is Boston dataset, some characteristics of Boston dataset. The number of instance of this dataset 506, and numbers of attribute of this dataset 13 numeric predictive attribute, and median value is attribute 14, and there is some attribute information of this dataset. Then put the Boston dataset in pandas library. This is the feature value in this pandas library. In the Boston dataset there is some features value. Their features are 506 rows and 13 columns. There are feature. However, I have predict one features value h. Taking a h, there is output some. There are output some predicted value, and this, and I have considered this target output in the data frame Boston dataset. Target is the PD data frame Boston dot target columns equal to target. There is a target value on this Boston dataset, and there is given this dataset maximum target value is 50 and minimum target value is 5. This is the maximum target, this is the minimum target. However, I have been concatenation feature value and target value in a single data frame. df is equal to pd dot concat features target axis 1. This is indicate concat means concatenation operation features value and target value axis 1, मतलब axis 1. This is the feature and target value. I have been round decimal number precision into 2 decimal places. This is the maximum value 50, this is the minimum value 5, target value 5, and count equal to 506, and mean equal to 22.53. Standard value is 9.20, This is all our target value, predicted target value. Then I have calculation of correlation between the column df dot correlation Pearson, and this is the absolute value of the correlation. Make a G form in the correlation and features, and then sort the key of correlation value, and then plot is in the correlation between respect target value and bar graph, target variable as a bar graph. This is the plotting of the correlation function target variable. This is the plotting of the target variable. LSAT shows highest value 0.8, and then RM shows 0.7. Then least target correlation of the target variable is CHAS. This is shown 0.15. This is the attribute function. This is the correlation of the target variable. This is the plotting of the graph function. I have taking two attribute LSTAT target values, and print the normalization of the function. Before normalization is the normal form 24, 21, 34.7, 33.4, 36.2. Linear regression is the most important part of the machine learning algorithm, which we have regression of this predict of the continuous variable, and we have get target output. This is my small project of this. Okay, now this is completed. Thank you.